Hi guys, my name is Alex and today we do unboxing for Hyphotonflux HPF4000. So let's take a look. So what first we can see is a 2 box, right? And no logo on there, so nobody know what you bought. And for sure, user manual with all technical specification. Yeah, everything is clear, is good. Also, the warranty card is here. Instagram, you can follow, ask some questions, or just describe it. Okay, then AC power cord. It's a 6-inch. The manufacturer said it is a 6-inch. Then the bags of accessories. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, the hiring kit, hooks for pieces. Yeah, for the each angle. Also adjustable, yeah, 2 adjustable, and not screw. Let's take a look about the products. Okay, main power drive and very heavy light fixture. Take a look, light fixture. Cool. So this is all about the unboxing. So guys, let me introduce to you Hyphotonflux HPF4000. The manufacturer used the folding design, which is quite easy to install and no difficult wearing. So the size of the light fixture is 34.3 and 30 inches. It has 6 pure aluminum bars and each bar size is 3.54. So this is the wider than other lights in the market. It's good to heat dispersion and extend the diode's lifespan. They build this light with the top companies. Here we can see the Samsung LM301B, the white one, and the red one is the Osram. So they use the LED diodes very good quality. And also there's a transparent coating on the PSB boarding. So here we can see the transparent coating, the white one, on the PSB boarding. You know what? This is for waterproof. Very good. Guys, I was informed you that the LED diodes on the PSB are fragile, so please make sure you will not touch the LED diodes when you install the light fixture later. Then, I want to introduce to you the driver box. The driver box are fixed inside. So the drive box is made from the aluminum, also from the pure aluminum, and there is no exposed and the messy wires. It's very clean and easy to connect. Perfect. So now let's assemble it. It's a folding design with the plug-and-play connector. It is quite easy and fast to assemble. So first, you use the hooks. Each corner has a hooks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quite easy. Then you use the power supply. You put in the middle, and you can see already have a dots like a holes where you can use the knot screw. So each side you use for 2 knot screw. Actually, it's screwed very easy. 1, done. Second, okay, done. Okay, fix it up, tight, and third one. Cool, very fast, very easy. And done. So fix it well. Okay, cool. Then you use the DC connectors. Use the gib and click and tie it from the both sides. Okay, both sides. Cool. Female and a male. Okay. Done. Fix and tie it from the both sides. Also, you need to connect the AC. So AC, when you connect, you can hear the click. So, and be sure this will be on top, right? So it's like a lock and unlock will be on top when you're connecting. So let's hear that. Hear the click. So it's been done. No need to turn on, turn left, turn right. It's very perfect and very easy to do.